To fix update Apple ID settings stock on iPhone. Let's get started. The very first thing you wanna do is check the Apple system status. For that, launch your preferred browser. Then navigate to the website apple.com support. Once you're on this website, you have to check the system status of the Apple. Click on this plus icon. Here you're gonna find different option. Make sure iCloud account and sign in is available. Once you check this, you'll be good to go. Now you can head towards the solution. First, restart your device. For that, press and quick release the volume up button, press and quick release the volume down button, press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. Once you force to restart your device, your problem might be fixed. Next up, what you want to do is check the internet connection, whether you have stable internet connection or not. Launch your settings, navigate to the option of Wi-Fi, click on the Wi-Fi network you are connected to, forget this network, give a fresh restart to your router and then rejoin it. Likewise, navigate to your Apple ID, click on the username given at the very top. Now, click on the option of sign out. Provide your Apple ID's password and then click on turn off. Then wait for a few minutes and then again log in back. Next up, change the Apple ID password. For that, click on the option sign in and security. Click on the option change password and go through the process. With this, your problem might be fixed. If none of these solutions work, reset your network settings. For that, navigate to the option of general. Scroll all the way down, click on transfer or reset iPhone. Click on reset. Click on reset network settings. Now enter your phone's passcode over here and continue with the process. By following all these solutions, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can fix update Apple ID settings stock on iPhone. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.